So I'm looking at this one and I've got 3 terms there. 2 of them have x's, but the last one doesn't. So I can't pull out an x, and they all have coefficients that are prime numbers. He's got a 1, he's got a -1, he's got a -2. So I can't pull any numbers out. So I'm thinking guess and check or grouping way to factor this. And I'm going to choose guess and check because we've got a coefficient of 1 on our x squared and should be able to guess and check really quickly. So I'm thinking, okay, here is a negative in my trinomial, so I know my signs are going to be plus and minus. And I'm looking at the factors of -2. Only options are 1 and 2, and one of them's got to be negative, which I already have set up in my parentheses. And I need the middle term to be -1, so I need the larger number to be negative. Well, the larger number is 2, so my 2 needs to be in the negative spot, my 1 in the other spot. And then to get my x squared first term, I'm going to need a 1x there and a 1x there, and I don't need to write the 1's because they're already known, it's just extra writing. Okay, so now I'm going to just check it really quick. If I multiply or high five x times x, I get the x squared. If I multiply the x times the -2, I get minus 2x. If I multiply 1 times x plus 1x, and 1 times -2, minus 2. And I lined them up just like that so I could see that my like terms were in the middle there and easy to combine. Nothing to go with the x squared. I get -2 plus 1 more, that's minus 1x, minus 2, and yep, that matches exactly what I had up here to begin with. So I know that I've got x plus 1 and x minus 2 as my factors. But I haven't finished solving because I need to figure out what values will make that statement true. And again, I can either have 0 times a number to get 0, so this guy could be 0, or the other guy could be 0, in which case I would have something times 0 equals 0. Both those are true, so I have to find the values that'll make each factor a 0. Well, if I've got x plus 1, set that equal to 0, I know the opposite of a positive 1 is a negative 1, so x equal to -1 will make that true. And then my other one, I've got x minus 2 needs to equal 0. Well, the opposite of a -2 is a positive 2. So if I plug in a positive 2, I'll get the 0. So those are my 2 possibilities, and that would be your final answer.